In this video, I will demonstrate how to add HS codes, also known as Harmonized System Codes, to your products in Shopify. And these codes are particularly important to be included if you ship internationally. So in order to add them, simply log into your Shopify account and then select Products. Then look for the product that you wish to add the code to. Let's use this one, Vanilla Candle. And then scroll a bit down until you see the section called Shipping. And right here you have an option, Include Customs Information for International Shipping. Set the checkbox, and then you have to select the country of origin, essentially where the product was manufactured. And for the purpose of this example, let's say it was made in Canada. Canada and province Ontario. Now we have to search for the HS code. So let's use major keyword. This is vanilla candles. Let's just say candle. And here potentially close matching HS code. So I have to look through each one of them and see which one is more or less correlates with the product which I'm offering. And in my case, I'll select the first option. So once that's done, click Save, and the HS code has been added to the product. Now, if you have more products, you have to do the same thing over and over again for each and one of them individually. But if you have products with variants, the process is very straightforward and similar, but I'll just go ahead and show you. So let's go to product section once again, and then look for the product with variant. So let's use this one, throw pillows. Now scroll down where you see the variant section, and you have to add the HS code to each individual variant. So let's start with medium. And once again, go to the shipping section, click Include Customs Information. In this case, we'll say the product was manufactured in the United States. And HS code below. And there are a few options here, so I have to read through each one of them and see which one really correlates with the product. Let's probably use this one as an example for now. And once it's done, let's click Save and repeat the same process for the large variant. United States and HS code. This one. Perfect. So just like this, you can manually add HS codes to individual products and products with multiple variants. So I hope you found this tip useful, and for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.